Oh, hi there. Is your home overdue for spring cleaning? If so, this message is for you. Today, I'm going to be sharing some simple tactics that will help your home stay clean and organized all year long. The strategy that made the biggest difference for me was to stop the clutter before it starts. From coats to shoes to mails to keys, you know what I'm talking about. It's too easy to find clutter taking all over your home. To avoid this problem, stop the clutter before it starts. Assign every item a home, then create storage spaces and drop zones in key locations. Here's a few ideas to get you started. Number one, install coat hooks and shoe racks in the entryway for easy access. Don't make it hard to get to, otherwise you won't do it and you won't put your stuff away. Add a key caddy or a shelf for essential items. And that's the thing, we come in with our phones, our keys, we put them everywhere, get it right by the door. Number three, hang a letter bin for the mail and the newspapers as you walk in the house. And number four, place a donation box in each closet for your items you no longer want or need. That's going to help because that way you don't have to sit there and sort through things over and over and over again. It's just right there. Check out the blog post for more home cleaning and organizational ideas. You can find a link in the caption. Then reach out if you need referrals for housekeepers, window washers, or any other home service providers, because we have some really great ones we'd love to refer to you if you need them. And remember, we're just not here to help you buy or sell your home. We want to help you love living in it too.